Because of the damages of my printer due to transport, Flashforge support asked me to check if my printer is printing square. So I designed this simple square, 250 by 250 by 250 millimeters. And I printed it, of course. And this time simply with PLA, and I didn't around the corners just to make it more visible if there is some problem. So here it is. I printed with this special filament that I got with the printer, and you see the different colors. That's nice. And as you see, it's at least finished it, so it is now 250 by 250 by 250 on the bed, and it looks like the bed has slightly shifted. This is of course a problem with big wide prints on magnetic bed all the time. And you see here another little problem, simply because at the beginning of the print, in the default profile which I used, there is still a purge line designed in the profile. You see it in the start code, and that's this line here. It's totally at the beginning, and that of course was getting messy with the first layer of the print that you see here. So that was a little problem, and I don't know why these artifacts comes. Of course they're easy to take off, maybe because it was just going a bit too fast for the print. And here you see the corners, try to lift it a little bit, so warping. The print was set on the default, so somehow this on this printer it is 55 degrees bed temperature for PLA. I don't know if that was the best setting, but okay. It's lower than on the 85 axis, and I preheated the bed long enough before, of course. So, and the filter fan has been working a little bit, at least it was shown that it was running, and I felt the air intake a little bit like a couple of persons, and the air outtake was also running, and I didn't have any heater on, of course, because it's PLA and I wanted to keep cool. And the room temperature here is pretty high, so as you see here, this is just the room where my printer is in. This time, I don't know if you can see it sharp. It should be sharp. So 28 degrees long after the print, and with the door open, so you understand that cooling could be getting a little bit of a problem for PLA. But it held on with 35 degrees inside, so that's not a problem. With the extra PLA fan, I have printers that could not do that at these temperatures here. So, and of course you see the purge waste at the beginning, so that is also, I put the print with calibration of filament and all these things on. So this looks to be pretty good, the print. Now I'm going to take it out and measure it. Yes. Okay. So this should be 25 by 25 by 25 centimeters. Yes. So that is in the Y on the left side. Same on the other side. Same on the back, and the same on the X at the front. So that seems to be pretty much okay. And then the height, 25 25, 25, and 25. I don't have a micrometer yet here, so I cannot measure that. And let's see if these are equal. So this is 35.4 and 35.4. So this measurement seems to be pretty okay with this one. And let's see if I can get something square to measure that extra. I know I have some real squares, but I cannot find them at the moment, so I have to look them up. But I can use an old carpenter's rake, of course, because it is 90 degrees. Or at least it should be. It's somehow not. As you see, it doesn't seem to be. Same here. Same here. Probably it's just the materials, the print, and yeah, there should be the materials that is not working. I'm pretty sure about that. This can't be right. So I clean it up and then I measure again. And I measure again, but doesn't look right. Can you see it? Yes, now you can see it. So this is the inner side. It's not right. It's on an angle, like I measured before. It's about 3 millimeters. And if I measure this side, it is also, this is almost straight. And then this side is not straight again. It cannot be, because it's just the other way around. As you see. The same distance. I don't know how much you see from the camera, of course. Let's see, I think you can see it. So, somehow this is not getting right. I have to get another square to measure it, but I will make another print to check again. But this is the same as I measured when I just received the printer with the damage. So probably the frame has been bent anyway, too much maybe. So I have to contact again with Flashforge support to see. So I probably need another printer, because this seems to be irreparable. But I will do another check first to make sure that it is right, or if there's a real problem.